My name is Manisha. I am the director and film experimental effects of the technology on the environment. One activity from the perspective of raw material to the exposure of waste energy, also to production of energy, rain can have harmful consequences for the conservation of the environment. Some samples of the specific action environmental impact of technological growth into in the procurement and management material of energy sources and waste generated in activities in technology can help conserve the environment. Some samples are producing for specific certain materials using alternative energy sources. Alternatives to improve the environment. Clear wood will flow cohica to commit ensure preserve the environment and of natural resources. Therefore, from the world with chemical tools to preservative and conservative the environment and trust of quality of life and the air are in the United Nations on shall implement new climate policy for dynamic development and also cutting and behavior to the progress of quality. Positive aspect. The problem of the moment is committed to follow know how the environment to the board, the therapy, the thought, the access, the original of natural resource, the therapy of environment as you to the future of our planet. Therefore, is sometimes the specifically ready the world living and in first level. It is not very tasty to start the planet standing are arranged in more of the triangles are going to be the environment because of museums now to